Hey guys, this is Daniel and welcome back. Today we've got an awesome video for you. We're going to be on the job site getting some work done with some GP Rents equipment. Today we've got a M62 Kubota backhoe. This thing is a beast. It's about a 62 horsepower Kubota tractor with the backhoe attachment and a super heavy duty front end loader on the front of it. The backhoe portion will reach 14 foot. It's got an articulating hydraulic thumb on the back of the hoe. This thing, we're gonna use it to tear down an old dairy barn on my in-laws property today. So they bought a farm and they're using it for bison. They're starting a little bison farm and it's got several structures on it, but they've got some old barns that need to be torn down, an old dairy barn that's just built out of cinder blocks and is falling down. And they asked me, hey, do you have any way that you can come help us tear that down? So we went to GP Rents, got a Kubota backhoe, and we're gonna take it over there and get some work done today. Wow. Ready to work? Ready to work. So let's take a look real quick. So the front of the building here, you can see it's just in bad shape. We got huge cracks in the walls and stuff. But this room was where the stainless steel tank was that held all the milk. That was, you know, the cooler room to keep the milk controlled after they're milked. So when this was built, this was the actual milking floor. There's a pit here in the center, which is where, you know, you would walk in down below, and the cows would come in and stand, you know, in their stalls. Buffalo, I hear buffalo pooping. So the cows would come in from the holding pens over here. The cow would come through this entrance and walk in and get in line to be milked. So as you can see, there's just not a lot left of the building. It's in really bad shape. So we're going to tear it down today with this Kubota backhoe from GP Rents. So here's a perfect example of why we want to tear it down. Look at that. Is that not the most dangerous thing you've ever seen? Some kid get over here playing in that window and bam, fall right on your head. Look at the wall. I mean, I could probably kick that wall out with just my foot. Dangerous. It's time to get rid of this place. Look at that one. So as you can see, this Kubota M62 backhoe is a workhorse. It's got a ton of power. It'll do just about anything you need it to do. And you don't have to be an expert to operate this machine. The controls are very simple. Kubota's done a good job at making this a very user-friendly tractor that's easy to operate. Anyone can do it. And like I said, it's available through GP Rents. For more information on this machine or anything else in the GP Rents inventory, you can go to gprents.com or call 833-I-RENT-GP.